Hello everyone. Today we will discuss MCQ question of chapter 1 and 5 of the subject Manufacturing Engineering 2. Here we will discuss first question, the ascending order of evolution of material used for making the cutting tool is. The correct answer is stone, bronze, iron and steel. The first cutting tool is stone, then after it is bronze, then iron and then steel. This sequence is the correct answer. The materials are added to the cutting tool to increase their properties. Match the following. Okay. Tungsten, carbon, vanadium. The tungsten increases hot hardness, carbon increases hardness, and vanadium increases wear resistance. The correct order is 1B, 2A, and 3C. Which of the following is the second hardest substance known? The correct answer is cubic boron nitride. Cubic boron nitride is the second hardest. First hardest is diamond and second hardest is cubic boron nitride CBN. Which of the following tools are generally manufactured by powder metallurgy? Powder metallurgy, the tool are generally manufactured is cemented carbide tools. Okay, cemented carbide tools are generally manufactured by powder metallurgy. Which of the following is the hardest known material? The hardest known material is diamond. The cutting tool wears due to all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Edge wear, crater wear and flag wear. Next question. The built-up edge in the cutting tools can be eliminated by all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The fast cutting speed, high rake angles and high pressure cutting fluid. The cutting speed of high speed steel is 10 times faster than carbon steel. Always high speed steel is 4 times faster than carbon steels. Which of the following cutting tool has highest hot hardness? Okay, the highest hot hardness is ceramic tools. Okay, ceramic cutting tools have always highest hot hardness comparison to this type of material. Which of the following cutting condition greatly affects the tool wear? The following condition which greatly affect the tool wear is cutting speed. Okay, the correct answer is cutting speed. Next, which of the following is not a constituent of high speed steel? Okay, here vanadium, chromium, tungsten and nickel. The correct answer is tungsten. Tungsten is not a constituent of high speed steel. Next, the tool life increases with death, increasing in the side cutting edge angle. Okay, the tool life increases with increasing in the side cutting edge angle. Okay, the correct answer is increasing side cutting edge angle indirectly increases the tool life. Next, which of the following tool materials have cobalt as a constituent element? Okay, tungsten carbide, CBN, stellite, and zircon. The correct answer is tungsten carbide and stellite. The coating materials of coated carbide tool include TIC and TIN. Titanium carbide and titanium nitride are the coating elements of carbide tools. Okay. Tool signature consists of dash elements. The correct answer is 7. Tool signature always consists 7 elements. Next, the factor which affect the tool life is all of the tool geometry, cutting speed and feed rate are the factors affecting tool life. The larger end of the cutting edge angle is dash tool life. Okay, the larger end cutting edge angle increases tool life. As we discussed earlier, the side increase in side cutting edge angle increases the tool life. The larger end cutting edge angle increases tool life. Okay, if the grain size is dash, the tool life is better. If grain size is larger, then tool size life is better. Next, the tool life is affected by dash. The tool life is affected by the three factors: depth of cut, cutting speed, and feed. Okay, the correct answer is all of these. The tool life in the case of continuous cutting is much better than intermittent cutting. Okay, this is correct. The tool life in the case of continuous cutting is always much better than intermittent cutting. Okay, because the starting of each cut have caused the maximum wear of tool. The tool life is the dash cutting speed. Okay, the tool life is always depend upon the cutting speed. Okay, tool life is not an independent, it is dependent on the cutting speed. Size of the lathe is specified by the length between center, swing diameter over the bed, swing diameter over the carriage. All of these. Okay, these are the correct answer. Okay, all of them are correct answer. The swing diameter over the carriage is always less than the swing diameter over bed. Okay, this answer is correct. The swing diameter over carriage is always lesser than swing diameter over bed. Hard and tough material like cast iron should be turned at slow speed, high speed, any speed, and certain specific. The correct answer is slow speed. Always hard and tough materials like cast iron should be turned at slow speed. Next, the lathe centers are provided with a standard taper known as Morse taper. Okay, the lathe centers always provided Morse taper. The cutting speed is maximum while machining this with a high speed tool. Okay, the cutting speed is maximum for ductile material as aluminium. Okay, okay, aluminium has with a high speed steel tool. Okay, cutting speed is maximum. The width of the cutting edge of parting tool varies from 3 to 12 mm. It is the standard value 3 to 12 mm, the width of the cutting edge of parting tool. Next, spot facing is an operation of smoothing and squaring the surface around the hole. This is correct. Okay, spot facing is an operation in which the smoothing and squaring of the surface of the hole is been done. In order to achieve a specific surface finish in the single point cutting tool, the most important factor is to control this. These are the factors. The most important factor is cutting speed. The correct answer is cutting speed. Okay, while single point cutting tool turning. Okay, for surface finish, the major important factor is cutting speed. Thanks for watching this video.